and we start our question number. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary and Ms. Shobha. With me, you will solve the question also in your notebooks. You see, on the asset side, there are bank, stock, bad debts, plant and machinery, land and building. Very quickly, in the realization account, please note down all the assets on the side of realization account. I hope it is visible. Yeah. So we start from here to stock.
अभी पूरी आज हो रही थी।
You can get the idea of the question, but simultaneously you also solve the question in your notebooks. Quickly. Plant and machinery, land and building. These are the 4 assets, tangible assets. These are the 4 assets which we have written. On the credit side, we will write all the liabilities, outside liabilities. There are 4: sundry creditors, bills payable, Mrs. Chaudhary's loan, and provision for doubtful debt. And Mrs. Chaudhary's loan. Mr. Chaudhary's loan. Mrs. Chaudhary is the partner. As you can see, these items are copied. These items are copied directly from the balance sheet. You should only know what items to be copied. We have left some items and it is already explained what are the items which should be excluded. Which should be excluded, which should not be copied in the realization account, because they will find their place in some other account. They will find their place in capital account. They will find their place in the bank account. Next, come to the adjustment, and adjustment you will see what are the assets realized, what are the liabilities we have paid, and who are the partners, those who have taken over the assets or paid the liabilities. Number 1, Mrs. Rita Chaudhary undertook to pay Mr. Chaudhary's loan. So Mrs. Rita Chaudhary is paying the liability. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary is paying the liability. So we will write here to Mrs. Rita Chaudhary's capital account 15,000. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary will pay 15,000 loan, so we are crediting that amount to her capital, to Mrs. Rita Chaudhary's capital. What she has paid? Loan. To there are two liabilities, creditors and bill payable. Point number 3, creditors were paid out at a discount of 10%. Creditors were paid out of a discount of 10%. Bill payables were paid in full. So creditors payment will be made after deducting 10% and bills payable will be paid in full. Creditors 67,500, bill payable 30,000. Then expenses of realization. Last point 6, expenses of realization. Again to bank. $5,250 are the expenses of realization. 5,250. Now come to the credit side. What are the assets which have realized? Assets realized are book debts realized 54,000. Stock all these tangible assets already given in the question. How much we have realized? Balance book debts realized 54,000. Plant and machinery 75. Land and building 1,20,000. And stock 48,750. Total amount realized from the sale of assets. We will write together this one, because this amount is copied later on in bank account. This amount is copied later on in bank account. तो हम उसको एक साथ sum up so that it is easier to copy later on. Also, Mrs. Rita Chaudhary has taken over 50% of the stock by stock taken over. Point number 5, Mrs. Rita Chaudhary took over the goodwill of the firm. Mrs. Rita Chaudhary also took over the goodwill of the firm, which was 30,000. Now, very quickly, please total the credit side and subtract from it the total of debit side. The profit sharing ratio is equal. The profit sharing ratio is equal. Tanani will tell me how much is the total of the debit side. Jasmine, how much is the profit and how much is the profit on realization and how much is distributed to both the partners? All of you please solve. I will ask from anyone. Yes, Tinani.
Sir, debit side total 3,15,007,750.
And when you subtract from the credit side 4,83,750, how much is the profit?
1,68,000.
Profit.
Sir, 1,32,000.
Please calculate properly.
1,68,000.
Wrong profit you are calculating.
1,50,000.
Or your debit total is wrong. Or maybe your debit total is wrong.
Sir, 1,83,000.
Your debit side total is
1,83,000.
wrong. These are the items that you have to solve these ones. Total
Sir, 1,83,000.
1,32,000.
So that what I said.
Yes, Jasmine has calculated correctly. 1,32,000 is the profit on realization. 1,32,000, and it is to be distributed amongst the partner in their ratio, old ratio, which is 1:1. Which is 1:1. Both will get 66,000. Both will get 66,000. To capital accounts. $1,32,000. So as you can see, it is made within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes with explanation and everything. Means to say, if you are clear with the points, with the adjustments, it is not very difficult. 40% of the items we need to copy from the balance sheet. And rest of the things, adjustments are given, asset realized is given, about the payment of liabilities, it is clearly mentioned. So not very difficult. As liability, 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 liability. These are the asset realized. Because a partner has taken over asset. Mrs. Chaudhary has taken over asset. Therefore, this is the entry, journal entry. Partners capital account debit to realization account. And on the debit side, you can see very clearly all the assets 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 assets copied from balance sheet. Then loan liability was paid by Mrs. Rita. So her account is credited. Journal entry realization account debit to Mrs. Rita's capital account. Again, payment of outside liabilities, creditors and bill payable. Creditors were paid at discount and bills payable were paid in full. In full means full amount was paid to them without any discount. Then there is realization expenses to bank. It would be better if you write in bracket. Gurpreet, pay attention. It would be better here if we write in bracket realization expenses. Realization expenses, so that it is more clear to the examiner that for what the amount is paid, what is the liability there. Then total of credit side. After totaling the debit side, we calculated the profit, which is 1,32,000, and the profit is distributed amongst the partner in their old ratio, which is given in the question equal, which is given in the question equal. Now, all of you will prepare capital account as per the instructions. Quickly make the format of the capital account. Capital account particulars, Mrs. Rita Chaudhary and Ms. Shobha. Everybody ready? Okay. First entry, Tanya, capital account, first entry on the credit side.
Balance brought down.
Very good. The balance of the partner's capital, which is already given in the question in the balance sheet, 90,000 and 30,000.
30,000.
Very good. आ रहा है स्क्रीन में पूरा. वेरी गुड, नाइस. Number one is balance. This is capital account. By balance, 90,000, 30,000. Mrs. Chaudhary and Shobha. Then there is a reserve fund in the balance sheet. You can see all the reserve funds and accumulated profits are credited to partners capital account by reserve fund. In their old ratio, that is 1:1, equally 24,000 distributed equally. Then this one, beta, from realization account, this 15,000 15,000 will be transferred to Rita Chaudhary's capital account, which she has paid loan. जो लोन उन्होंने पे किया था उसके 15,000 हमने उनके अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर दिए. So you see, if you have done it correctly here, you have to copy from here. ऐसे ही ये भी दो अमाउंट है यहाँ पर 30,000 and 30,000. Both will be debited. One in Rita Chaudhary, 30,000 for stock and 30,000 for goodwill. That you will write this side. It's very logical. You see, if a partner has taken over asset, his or her account is debited on the debit side here, and on the credit side of the realization account. So this same thing is copied here. If you make realization account correctly, 50%, more than 50% of the items you have to only transfer. You have to only transfer. And this 15,000 we are paying because the partner has paid the liability. Has paid the liability. Then profit of realization. $62,000. Oh, sorry, 66,000. Please total it fast, Amit. Please total it. Credit side. Tanya, please total it fast. And Jasmine, please find out the final payment. Final payment. Jasmine will find. Till then, Amit, total the debit side, sorry, credit side. Versus, find out the total of the credit side. Dhruv and Tanani. Bilal, keep your
Sir, the debit side total. Sir, debit side total 1,83,000.
करेक्ट साइड का आ रहा है 1,80,000
1 lakh. Credit side total is 1 lakh.
83,000.
Very good.
83,000
Next.
83,000
Sir, the final payment to the partner is
Subhas total.
1,08,000
Very good. किसने बताया? 1,08,000. Nice. I don't know whether ये सही है कि नहीं, but ये माइनस करके देखिए सही आ रहा है बैलेंस. 183 minus 60. 183.
1,83,000.
1,23,000. चेक कीजिए फाइनल पेमेंट सही है.
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Yes, sir.
और
1,08,000.
Miss Shobha
1,08,000
1,08,000. These are the two final payments. जब हमने all outside payments कर, please pay attention here. If you are doing it carefully, realization account with full attention, you see here. हमने पेमेंट कौन कौन सी करी है? Let us circle the payments, total payment made during the dissolution. All of you look here. Total payments made. एक पेमेंट ये करी है पार्टनर को, एक पेमेंट ये करी है creditors. This is one another payment. Bills payable. This is one another payment. 5250 for realization expense. And these are the two final payments. Payments to partners. Payments to partner. Final payment. All these, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, you will show in the bank account credit side. Bank account credit side. Bank account credit side. You know, last year you learned cash book or cash account. Cash book, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. A rule पे debit side all receipts, credit side all payments. So bank account debit side you will write all the receipts, and credit side you will write all the payments. So the payments are this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the payments made by the firm in cash. आप कोई मुझे बता सकता है from where have we received cash? From where Gurpreet, Jasmine, yes. Those
Sir, the amount released from the assets.
assets, ये देखिए हमने पहले से अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है इसे. We have already circled it. On the debit side of bank account, you will write 2 lakh. How much it is? 2,97,750.
Yes, sir.
Debit side of bank account, you will write 2,97,750. And also in the balance sheet, bank balance is given in the beginning 36,000. First entry will be to balance brought down 36,000, and then second entry will be to realization account 2,97,750. उसके बाद you will write all the payments on the credit side, and both side total will be equal. Whatever cash we had, we have paid off all the liabilities. So this was the illustration, practical question. I have explained you in full from the beginning till the end what are the accounts to be prepared. This is the accounting procedure to solve a dissolution question. Already we have solved some questions, and I found this question important, good one. One or two more questions we will solve in the coming classes. You should know the steps. You should know which item is to be transferred where. That is why I have circled these, because these are the amounts which are important, which will find a place either in capital account or in bank account. Therefore, these are very, very important. You should know that this amount is important. This amount will find place in bank account also. You should know that this partner's capital account for paying liabilities or taking over assets will be shown in the capital account also. You should know that all the accumulated profits and reserves will be transferred to credit side of partner's capital account, because they have worked for it, they have earned these reserves and accumulated profits, so they need to be paid back. Similarly, all accumulated losses will be transferred to partner's capital account debit side. Also, profit of realization will be on the credit side, and loss of realization will be on the debit side. This is all for today. I see the strength today is good, okay, acceptable, but still the attendance is very, very important. Those who are not taking it seriously, mind it, you will suffer later on. And what I say, I mean it. Tell your friends, inform your friends to take classes regularly. From tomorrow, your class timing is changed. Every day there will be accounts class and business class. From tomorrow, your timing is changed. It is from 11 a.m. Your class timing will be from tomorrow onwards at 11 a.m. not 9:30. It will be from tomorrow 11 a.m. Inform everyone. I will also message, but I have informed you verbally. It is your duty to inform classmates that from tomorrow it will be 11 a.m. so that you all get up on time and join it regularly, daily, sincerely. 11 a.m. You should come to the class before time, as I have sent you the online class rules. Those who are not following will pay afterwards. Please follow the online rules, class rules properly. Be on time, take proper place, no noise, no disturbance, have proper etiquettes, be respectful, keep your things ready before time, everything, mobile, whatever, keep the things ready before time. 10-15 minutes before the class you should be there. Things. Camera should be on all the time. Otherwise from tomorrow you will see that once your camera is off, you are out of the class. You will join on the next day only, and it will be absentees. I will mark absent. I take the photograph. I have taken your photos. Okay, all those who are in the screen are present. Those who are not are absent. And sign in with your name only. Sign in with your name only. किसी का भी मोबाइल फोन नंबर, this number, that number, model number should not be displayed. Sign in with your name. That's all for today. If anybody want to ask some question and get your notebooks checked, please. You must have got the message from Alan sir to get your notebooks time to time. Accounts as well as business.
Sir, last date of submission?
Yes?
Last date of submission of notebooks?
No last date. You have to get it time to time. Every week once. Every week at least once you have to get your notebooks checked. Every
Okay,
week
sir.
once. Right? That is 12 to 2. 12 to 2 is the time when you can come and get your notebooks checked.
Okay, sir.
Any day. No problem. But 12 to 2 only, and once it is necessary. Number 6 in business and up to death in accountancy.
Accounts.
Yes, please. So take very good care of yourself. God bless all of you and be regular to your classes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.